Here we are on the Gavotte on page 77, and this is by Handel, and this is kind of a fun piece. We're getting into a little more complex chords. We're learning about the C suspended fourth chord, or you could say sus4 chord, and it just means a suspended fourth. So what am I talking about? So here's the C, right? We're going to be playing a C, F, and G in this particular chord right here. So here's our regular C chord, C, E, G. So our C triad, C major chord. And here we're playing a C, F, and G. So that C, F, and G, here's the root, or the 1. Here's the G, which is the 5, or the 5th. And this F creates a little tension, a little dissonance. And it's the suspended note. And it's used to just create a suspended feeling to the chord. And suspensions always resolve down. So after this chord, we would expect to see this F go to an E, and indeed, that's exactly what happens. So here it is here, C, F, and G, and we're going to resolve that by going down to the E. And that's true in the Dead White Guys composer society, the 17th, 18th century, 19th century, even a little bit, composers. So this F is going to go resolve down to this E. Now, what happens here is this lovely interval of a 6. So this E to this C is an interval of a 6. So you'll get this lovely little bit of music happening right here, this lovely harmony. So this is very straightforward. Here's your suspension. Here it's resolving to the E, which is exactly what you'd expect to happen. And what's interesting about this piece is you only need to learn the first 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half measures, or actually it's 5 measures because here is an upbeat or a pickup measure, right? There's only 2 beats in this measure, 1, 2, and the other 2 beats are down here at the bottom. But this piece is divided in half. So this is in mezzo forte. You're playing it mezzo forte. Here you start playing piano, and it's the exact same thing. So you only need to learn this part, and you'll know this part. Now watch your phrasing. Make sure you're picking up your hand at the end of the phrase and bringing it back down. All right, let's try this. So our hands go pinky on bass C, or C3, and our third finger on E, or E4. Here's C4, here's C3. Middle C. And let's try this. We're going to go a little slow on this. So it will get lively. We'll play it again a little bit livelier. So 1 and 2 and 3. Let's play that a little faster up to tempo. So 1 and 2 and